Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. Henry David Thoreau. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. Have you ever wondered what sets wealthy people apart? Is it luck, skill, or a secret formula that only a few know? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the top 5 keys to building long-term wealth. These aren't quick-fix tricks, but principles anyone can start implementing to lay the foundation for financial freedom. Stick around because these tips could be your breakthrough moment on the path to wealth. This video is for anyone serious about building wealth that lasts. We're diving into the top 5 principles that wealthy people rely on. Principles that create enduring wealth rather than quick riches. In a world where financial freedom can feel like a distant dream, these keys provide a roadmap to make that dream a reality. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to enhance your financial strategies, these keys will set you up for lasting success. Let's get started. Key 1. Financial discipline and consistent saving. Financial discipline and consistent saving are the cornerstones of building long-term wealth. Practicing discipline with your money means developing habits like budgeting, tracking expenses, and setting financial priorities. By actively managing your finances, you can create a roadmap to achieve short-term and long-term goals without falling into unnecessary debt or impulsive spending. This discipline is particularly essential because it fosters a mindset that values planning and delayed gratification. 2 powerful attitudes that help you make thoughtful financial decisions and resist the temptations of instant rewards. Consistent saving builds a financial cushion, which can protect you during unexpected events, like medical emergencies or job loss, and provide funds for investments that compound over time. By setting aside a portion of income regularly, even if it's a small amount, you create a habit that can lead to significant growth through compound interest. Over the years, the money you save becomes an investment in your future self, contributing to financial security and freedom. Consistent saving also enables you to take advantage of investment opportunities that require a lump sum, like real estate or stock market investments. In this way, financial discipline and consistent saving are intertwined. The discipline reinforces the habit of saving, and in turn, regular saving empowers you to make strategic choices that build wealth over the long term. Imagine a young professional, Sarah, who saves just 10% of her income each month. Over 20 years, this simple habit not only builds her a solid financial cushion, but also opens doors to investment opportunities. You don't have to be making 6 figures to start saving. Begin with what you can afford, even if it's $50 a month. What matters is building the habit. Key 2. Strategic investing. Strategic investing involves making thoughtful, calculated decisions to grow your wealth over time by selecting the right investments that align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Unlike speculation or impulsive trading, strategic investing focuses on a diversified portfolio that balances risk and potential return. This could include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles. The key to strategic investing is understanding the market, having patience, and committing to long-term growth rather than trying to chase quick profits. By staying disciplined and regularly reviewing your investment strategy, you can adapt to market conditions while keeping your eyes on the bigger picture of wealth accumulation. This method not only maximizes the potential for financial growth, but also mitigates the risk of major losses, ensuring your money works for you steadily and consistently. Consider Alex, who invests in index funds with a 7 to 8% return rate. Over decades, thanks to compound interest, this investment grows substantially, far outpacing what he'd earn just by saving. Let's say you put aside $100 a month into a diversified fund. With compound growth, this can turn into thousands over time without you lifting a finger. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Key 3. Prioritizing multiple income streams. Prioritizing multiple income streams is a powerful strategy for building and securing wealth, as it reduces dependence on a single source of income and increases financial resilience. By diversifying where your money comes from, such as through side businesses, freelance work, passive income from investments, or rental properties, you protect yourself from economic downturns or job instability. Multiple income streams create a safety net and provide extra funds that can be reinvested, saved, or used to accelerate financial goals. For example, income from dividends or rental properties can complement earnings from a primary job, allowing you to grow your wealth even while focusing on your main career. This approach not only enhances financial security, but also builds momentum towards financial freedom, as each additional income source contributes to a stronger, more flexible financial foundation. Think about entrepreneurs who may have a main business, investments, rental properties, and even side projects. This diversified income approach allows them to build wealth more securely. Imagine you work a 9-to-5 job but also have a small Etsy shop on the side. That extra income might not seem like much at first, but over time it can provide a significant cushion. For those looking to start with one impactful habit that could make you rich sooner, check out our video titled "One Money Habit That Can Make You Rich Now." Link in the description. If you're finding these tips helpful, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated on more life-changing financial tips. Key 4. Smart debt management. Smart debt management is essential to achieving financial stability and wealth over time, as it ensures that any borrowed money is used purposefully and managed effectively. Not all debt is harmful. In fact, debt can be a tool to leverage opportunities that may not otherwise be accessible, such as purchasing a home, investing in education, or starting a business. However, distinguishing between good debt, like a low-interest mortgage or a student loan with high potential returns, and bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, is crucial. Smart debt management involves regularly assessing your debt load, prioritizing high-interest debt repayment, and creating a plan to eliminate or reduce debt over time. This approach minimizes the risk of debt spiraling out of control, allowing you to keep interest payments low and freeing up more money to invest or save. By managing debt wisely, you can use it as a stepping stone toward financial growth, rather than letting it become a barrier to wealth building. Take Robert, who uses a mortgage to buy rental properties. The rent he collects covers his loan payments, and he builds equity over time. This smart debt approach grows his wealth without costing him an interest rather than racking up credit card debt. Imagine using a low-interest loan to fund a small business. This turns debt into a tool for growth, not a burden. Key 5. Maintaining a growth mindset and continuous learning. Lastly, wealthy people prioritize personal growth and financial education. They view setbacks as learning experiences and continually seek knowledge that can improve their financial situation. From reading books on personal finance to attending seminars, successful individuals know that the path to wealth isn't static. They adapt and learn to stay ahead. Picture someone like Jamie, who dedicates 30 minutes a day to financial education. Over a year, that knowledge compounds, influencing better financial choices and investments. We've covered 5 powerful keys to long-term wealth: disciplined saving, strategic investing, multiple income streams, smart debt management, and a growth mindset. These principles aren't complicated, but they require consistency and commitment. By incorporating these into your financial strategy, you're on the path to not only achieving wealth but sustaining it for the long term. If today's video sparked a desire to take control of your finances, you won't want to miss the next video in this series. Urgent: Get rich with this money formula. Watch now. This next video will dive into a transformative money formula that has helped countless people break free from financial struggles and start building true wealth. Don't miss out on this next step toward a life of financial freedom. Subscribe to our channel for more actionable insights on achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when new strategies are revealed. Let's build wealth together. The content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and all decisions regarding your finances should be made with consideration to your own situation and with consultation from a qualified financial professional.